Merry Christmas. I'm going to do a walkthrough, talk through of our new home. Some of you all may know we sold our family home. This is not our forever home, but I was really excited to get to decorate it this year. So I'll do a walkthrough, talk through tour, and then later on I'll do another tour, nighttime candlelit, just to music is my goal. So I have lots of other little Christmas videos coming out, but I just wanted to do a brief tour because I never have done a tour of this home since we moved. So I just figured I might as well do it while it's all dressed up for Christmas. So FYI, just so you can know, forgive if you hear my dog barking and running around in the background. That's just Madam Coco. And if you hear cars and stuff going by, I got the door open. This house is very dark, so I'm trying with all my might to pull in as much light as I can. So I have the front door open. So this is the entryway. When you first come in, I have this beautiful stairwell, which I was so excited to decorate this year. And what I decided to do was put a tree up at the very top of the stairs. There's Coco. And I decided to put the tree at the very top, and you can actually see that tree from the street because there's a window, a nice big window right there, and it's so pretty at night. And it had a heavy curtain there when we first moved in, but I had all that taken down, and the natural light. I love bright light open spaces. I like things warm and cozy at night, but during the day it has to be bright and light. So I just love how the light flows in this 2-story entryway. And then I was really excited to do this. I just wanted to keep it simple. So I tried not to buy as much as I could. Again, this isn't our forever home. So I didn't want to buy a whole lot particular to this home. So this is my same old garland, and I just added some ribbon. I like how simple and the touches of red. I am a traditional girl, so Christmas is green and red for me. I like seeing some of the sparse neutral Christmases, but I just love Christmas. So this is the dining room. Again, the same old decor that I always have. I just added a wreath up there. The reason for the season, my black nativity scene, which was my mother-in-law's, which I just love, love, love. Then this is my dining room. I am going to do a video where I decorate this dining room table up a little more, but I just used my mother-in-law's Christmas dishes that she gave to me, and my same old decor. This is my same planter that's here every year. I just put Dollar Tree picks in it, and it just came to life. My same trees I always have. I just added some lights to them. I've had these for a couple years. I got them from Ross. Look at this beautiful mirror that I just recently purchased from Goodwill, and it was $9.99 with 40% off. It's huge, it's heavy, I love it. I love that whole area. It's so pretty at night. I just love it. So when you come off, now this dining room is a little smaller than my dining room was, so everything's a little tight and a little off, but I was able to use what I had in here. So I like that. And then when you go in here now, this house, I think square footage and bedrooms is bigger than the last house, but because all the spaces are so compartmentalized, it does feel a little smaller to me. But of course, the neighborhood and all the finishes are way more high-end than our starter home was, obviously. So my husband loves this neighborhood and the area. It's a wonderful neighborhood we moved into, an area, and we love it. But the house itself feels a little tighter, so I had to play around with things to kind of open it up. So you go down this really long, narrow hallway. It's not big enough to like put a bench or anything. And I just added these pictures that I got for $3 at Habitat. And mostly everything else I just used. But this is what I did, guys, just to give you a little view. So this is my sectional. I got this sectional brand new when we moved to this home. And I had the tree here, and I loved it. And I love that you can see the tree from the road. My husband, everybody loves it like that. But it covered the light. And again, this house is dark. I said it in another video. This is the only 2 natural lights that this space gets is from these 2 trees. These 2 windows. And the tree really blocked that light, and I have to have that bright and light. And then I recently hosted a dinner party, and the sectional came like right here, so it cut the room in half, everyone has to like come around this way to be inside, to sit down. So everyone's kind of like crowded in that area. And then the tree took up this whole area. And I just felt like all my Christmas was between my beautiful summer, which is my favorite space, or like everything was just on this side. So I was like, no, I wanted to pull it out and really let Christmas in the room breathe. Pull Christmas over to this side. So the way I did that was breaking up my section. I know I'm all over the place. I broke up my sectional. I added the wreaths on both windows, which still gives you lots of Christmas from the street. And then it allowed me to have all of this open space, nice and open. So I put this beautiful tree. I got this tree from Walmart this year, guys. And I love it. It was a very tree. It's 9 feet. It's a full tree, not a skinny tree. I had a skinny tree in the past, but I just like the full trees. And but it was not lit. So it was like 140 unlit, but that's fine because I always add motion lights to my trees. And I got sick of the pre-lit trees. When you light it up, half of it or sections of it would always go out every year. So I just did this. I love it. I wanted to keep it traditional, but I wanted to do soft gold, almost like a rose gold. I got these bulbs from Big Lots. Even this old school garland, Big Lots. But I wanted this tree. We don't have small children. My husband and our kids are grown. So I wanted to do a little more, how you say it? A little more sophisticated and Lord, tongue tire, but a little more, but still traditional, right? So that's what I did. Then I brought in my mirrors. You all seen my Walmart mirrors before. I have 2 of them. One is upstairs in our master bathroom, because we have a beautiful big bathroom up there. And then behind there, just for perspective, that's my husband's office, a full bathroom, and then the garage. There's a door to the garage. So that's the layout of the dining room. And I just love it. It is so cozy. And that way, now when we host, it opens up instead of feeling like more cut up rooms. Everything is so cut up in this home. I know for sure my next home is going to have an open floor plan. All right. Because I love open floor plans. I know some people are like, no, I like defined spaces, but you can define spaces with furniture, in my opinion. So this is my favorite room in the house, where I start my days, where I end my evenings. I love this space. What can I say? I did a tour of this room before, and you can go back and watch that video where I go a little more in depth. But this is just a planter that I have here all year. And I decided just to stick a tree in it that I lost the base to. And it looks really precious. It is so nice at night. And I just love to come in here and cozy. It just opens up for conversation. I love it. A little palm tree. This is my little area when you're sitting in the sunroom that you see. That's my flashlight. I keep that in there for when I take Coco out at night. Here is my kitchen table. Again, I kept this simple because we eat here a lot, and because the kitchen is so small, I also sometimes have to prep here. So, I just kept it small, but this is my regular like Hobby Lobby dough bowl. I will be taking all this out and filling it in with Christmas cookies and cakes. My food line has not started putting those out yet. So hopefully when I go shopping for Thanksgiving food, they'll have it and I can load that up. So that'll be something different you'll see in the next tour. I did up this little pony wall here. DECOR I already had. I love my thrift store find lamp. I just love it. It's so nice. I think that was like a $10 lamp. And they cost way more than that. It's huge. But anyway, so I just decorated up my little deer here. I really used what I have. And I love the way it turned out. All right, so this house has one of these little like corner kitchens. So I absolutely hate these kind of kitchens. For me, kitchens are the best part of the home. And and maybe because I'm short, I wish it was just like not that double tier island. But anyway, this is my coffee bar section. My coffee maker is broke. I need to go get a new percolator. I have to order one. But I have it all set up for hot chocolate. So I brought out the bigger cups for hot chocolate. We like these little cups for coffee. I have this all decorated up. All things I already had. I got one of those magnet rods so I can seasonally decorate up this area. I just hung some nice towels there. Home Goods has the best, and Ross has the best towels. One of my wreaths is messed up. I just added some Walmart wreaths up there, just to keep it simple. They're really small. You get 3 in a pack. Then right here, I just made it really pretty and festive. I just wanted it to be cute. I love how I did my olive oils here. I love that, and just put a little cutting board back there with it. So that's cute. A little candle, a little lamp for mood and lighting. My regular oat. I love all this. I just made it cute. It's small. It's functional. My cakes and desserts. I love my cake, my glass cake stand. But anyway, I just try to make it functional. And so, and for perspective, that's back to the dining room. And so at this kitchen, that's the only natural light the kitchen gets. It's what they get from the dining room and from the sunroom. And you see how bright and cheery it is in there? That's how much the whole house was. That's why I spend so much time in that room. But yeah, one more overview. So I just love that you get all that Christmas and then you're like, oh, it's not over yet. More Christmas in this corner, and it's just beautiful. I do plan to put boxes and gifts under here, but I didn't have enough ribbons, so I just left that out. So more to come. You'll see that, but I just think this will be perfect for when I'm entertaining this holiday season. And my family, all of the birthdays are from October to at the end of the year to December, and then we start over in January, February. But we have lots of family dinners, and I just feel like this is so much more open. And when you come down this kind of narrow hallway, it opens up and people have a nice clear path to the bathroom. And it just felt like, it was so much real estate over here being wasted, because I had, the couch, the sectional, when it's together, it cuts the room right here, and there's a walkway. But, so I encourage you to think outside the box when it comes to your Christmas decor and what you do for Christmas. And, one size doesn't fit all. You can do whatever you want to do. Move your furniture around. It's just for a couple weeks, and then you can move it back. And I think that this will be really nice and fun for the Christmas holiday. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment. Let me know what you think. Should I move my tree back so that it can be seen from the street? My husband really liked it there, but I just feel like this is so much better and so much fresher. Everyone's doing sectionals, and I like to be a little different and think outside the box and take advantage of having a room that's got the 2 windows on each side. It's in the middle, because I used to have a corner fireplace, so hard to decorate around. So I really love this, and I think it'll be fun, and it also lets me have great conversation with guests. And my pillows are all over the place because my dog likes to flop on top of the pillows. But anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas, everyone.